Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're traveling this holiday season, boosting your immunity is key. So let's talk about a tea blend for staying strong on the go. Now we'll be using hibiscus, sage and ginseng root. Now hibiscus, which is this wonderful vibrant flower here, is really rich in vitamin C. And the wild organic sage is great for fighting off pathogens, and ginseng root supports energy and resilience. Now this blend is great for a tea, and all you need to do is to add 2 cups of water to a pan, bring it to a boil, and add a teaspoon of your ginseng root and simmer that gently for about 15 minutes. And then turn off the heat and add your sage leaves and your hibiscus leaves and steep that for a further 10 minutes. And then all you do is just strain it and sip it before and during your trip. Now this blend is perfect for staying healthy while traveling. And if you're interested in sourcing any organic herbs that are well crafted and organic, because you want to make sure that you're getting the potency from the herbs without any nasties, you can go to naturalworkshops.com. I'll put the link in the description below. And also join our Health Seekers Telegram group, where we have discussions. I'm posting remedies there. There's Q&A. You have a community of like-minded people where you can get support, and it's free to join, and I'll also put the link to that below for you. And in the meantime, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel and share the information that you're getting from these videos with others, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on natural solutions for your well-being. So in the meantime, be happy, stay healthy, and always be wise.